What if I told you that 5 carefully selected ETFs could potentially generate around $8,000 a month in passive income without selling a single share? Sounds too good to be true, but here's the catch. It's not about chasing the highest yield, it's about building the right system. Instead of relying on one risky high-income ETF, this strategy combines 5 different ETFs that generate cash flow through covered calls, options, credit spreads, small cap exposure, and energy infrastructure, creating multiple income streams that work together. Under favorable market conditions, the portfolio can produce a blended yield of roughly 12 to 13%, meaning you'd need approximately $730,000 to $800,000 invested to target about $96,000 a year, or $8,000 per month in income. Of course, these yields aren't guaranteed and can change with market conditions, which is exactly why diversification matters. The goal isn't finding one magical ETF, it's building a portfolio designed to generate consistent income while managing risk. Smart investors don't chase yield, they build systems that can survive different markets.